Good morning, everyone. Today we'll see the care of the eyes, nose, and ear. As we know, hygiene, we have seen hygiene of the body, we have seen hygiene of the tooth, we have teeth, we have seen, and hygiene of the eye, nose, and ear we will see today. So, hygienic care of the eye, ear, and nose prevent the infection and help to maintain their functions. Hygienic care of these organs is always done as a part of the general bathing procedure. So, in the procedure, what we will do, the purpose of this hygienic in the eyes is to maintain the cleanliness of the eye, ear, and nose, to prevent the infection, and to keep the organ in normal function, to prevent the obstruction. Then, factors affecting. What is the reason behind that? The factor affecting is systemic disease condition, diabetic, and the hypertension, acute illness, viral or bacterial infections, trauma, blow or foreign bodies, medications, autotoxic drugs, allergic substance, congenital anomalies. Then common problems which is occur in eye or ear and nose, that is a conjunctivitis, burning, itching, red, watery and painful eye with increased secretions, cataract, glaucoma, strabismus and quint. Then ear otitis media and impact, sediment and foreign bodies, nose, mechanical irritation and the obstruction. Then the general instruction for the eye is unconscious patients are at risk for an eye injury. Daily swabbing of the eye with a wet sterile cotton is important. Cleaning is done from the inner canthus to the inner canthus of the eye to outer canthus of the eye. Use normal saline to remove the crust. During the bath, each eye is cleaned with a separate portion of the washcloth. When sterile procedures is required, each eye cleaned with a separate swabbing each once only. Ear. Do not use pins or slides to clean ear. Only use clean buds to clean the ear. Some people are using the matchstick. Some people are using a slides and pins and all. They are clearing the ear, but this is wrong. Do not do this. Will be harm for your eardrum. Eardrum may be ruptured. So you have to clean ear with a earbuds only, and not to introduce earbuds so much in, not to penetrate your earbuds into your ear so deeply. Otherwise, it will be also cause effect. Then poor hygiene of the ear, debris may accumulate behind the ear and in the interior aspects of the external ear. Then comes the nose. Obstruction of the nose for sign of the discharge, lesions, edema and deformity is required. External crusted secretions can be removed with a wet washcloth or a cotton application, moistened with oil, normal saline or a water. Foreign bodies and small children's wisp of cotton moistened with the water or oil introduced into the anterior flores and rotate gently and cleans the nostrils. Then comes the assessment, preliminary assessment. First we have to check patient's diagnosis, then doctor's order for a specific any instruction is there. Then assess the general condition of the patient, self-care ability, articles available in the unity. Then the preparation of the patient and environment. As we know, all the procedures we have to explain the patient first. So explain the procedure, arrange the articles at the bedsides, then place the patient in a flat if the condition is permit. Then protect the pillow and the bed with a mackintosh and a towel under the head. Then comes the procedure. First we have to wash the hand to prevent the cross infection. Pour sterile saline into the bowl and wet the cotton balls. Stand in front of the patient. Clean the eyes with a sterile swab. Squeeze the excessive water from the swab in the saline ball. No pressure on the eyeball. Gently wipe the lids from the inner to outer canthus. One swab for one swabbing, and separate the swab for each eye. When the eye care clean, when the eyes are clean, stop procedure. Wipe the face with a face towel. Then after the care, we have to instill any medications that are ordered. Then remove the Macintosian towel from the under the patient's head. Adjust the position of the patient. Replace the articles to the utility room and wash hand thoroughly. Record and report the procedure in the nurse's record. So this was the procedure of the care of the eye, nose and ear. So I think you understood how to clean the eye from the inner canthus to the outer canthus, and how to clean your nose. You have to moisten the earbuds with the water and a oil, and you can introduce to the nose and introduce the anterior flares of the nose and rotate gently gently cleanses the nostrils. And ear, how we will clean when a sterile procedure is required. We have to take the earbud, and with the earbud only we can clean, not to use the pin or any harmful thing. I think you understood how to clean the ear, nose and mouth, ear, nose and eyes. And if you like this video, like and share it. If anybody would like to get the admission in nursing, this is a medical college in a large scale, large place, and this is the big medical college in UP. Varieties of teachers are here. You will get the more explanation. Everything will be there. Tutors, professors, associate professors, assistant professors, principal and vice principal is there, and you are most welcome with a TSM family. Okay, bye bye.